Hello everyone. Sorry for not reviewing my new Hammond collection toys. I obviously didn't have any time because I basically was just building some stuff like I don't know, Hammond scopes, just sculpting. Today we're going to be reviewing my Hammond collection Velociraptor, which just came today. My Hammond collection Velociraptor, my Hammond collection female Velociraptor. We're also going to be reviewing Dr. Alan Grant and Scutosaurus. So first we're going to be reviewing this one. So, as you can see, it kind of has the same model as the female Velociraptor, but it has quills, which is kind of unusual because I never saw quills on a Velociraptor. So everyone knows Hammond collection, bendy wire, the leg articulation that we have the knees, we have the feet, or shall I say, feet. No articulation at the ankles, feet and knee. Sorry for this bad quality again. I'm just too lazy to charge my own phone, so I'm charging on my tablet once again. Okay, I shouldn't film from that close, and I should not be lazy. So, also its articulation on its arms. Also articulation on its elbow and arms. Shoulder. There's 2 points of articulation on its neck by having one on its head and body. And I'm sorry for the noise outside. A hole is normally really busy. Okay, so take this. Basically, just the same. They have so much detail. Scutosaurus, one of my favorite ones. It's the first one to ever walk on all its fours. Okay, still no understand. Mattel. Some articulation right here. And yeah, why does it have ginormous feet? I'm not gonna lie, it looks very cute and ginormous. So let me just show you how it looks. Looks cute and all the details. And still don't understand Mattel. Why did you add these in? It's very simple to just put these out, save some of your money by just taking these out and painting the toenails. So, yeah. I'm so sorry for reviewing these figures very fast. Now the one. And this, my second favorite, Dr. Alan Grant. I'm only going to be showing the articulation, and I'm not going to be only showing the articulation on there. Okay, so this looks cool. It has this articulation on the shoulder, elbows and hands, and it has articulation on its thighs, I think, on its knee and ankle. Next, now we got this articulation on its head and on its hip somehow. Cannot change heads. Now the actual one you've been waiting for. Da-da-da-da. It's gonna be using a plastic knife because I'm way too lazy to do stuff. So I'm now going to the kitchen. And guys, if you didn't know, Mattel I think it's a Vietnam company because people are saying it's from America. But I just realized I just couldn't look this up. It's not from America. The figures say made in Vietnam. So it's made in Vietnam, guys. Vietnam. I have bad pronunciation. My space, just my saliva, let's say, keep on coming out of my mouth for some reason. I'm not hungry though, I just ate dinner. Okay, let's open this baby up. Let me just... That was a really rough time, guys. So... I decided to cut the video, which is obvious that I did. And I almost hit my eye. Actually, I'm not going to say it. No worry, I didn't hit my eye with anything. Totally nothing. Oh, okay, it fell. Let me just put it in the bin. Just using my stinky breath. So heat it up. Okay. Still don't understand why they dry brushed it. Dry brushed it with like paint. It actually has blue. It's supposed to be blue. It's not even pink. Let me just... Here. I'm just using some gum, so... Fixed. Now I'm gonna be sorry for this noise when it comes. Oh, okay. It wasn't the noise I was expecting. Not going to lie. Marcel, we didn't mean these tiny feet. Just gonna heat it up. Okay. Let's start reviewing this. So as you can see, this mouth. You have articulation on this mouth. Look at this detail. It's on a hinge, as you can see. There. Its neck is on a ball joint, which gives it some limited articulation and kind of unlimited articulation, because look how much you can look to its sides. So people have been saying its hands are really delicate, but I can't see it. And for some reason, one of the nails aren't painted. That's how you think we want see this and think it's a feather. And broski, it's supposed to be right here. It isn't painted. Oh yeah. I mean, the looks are good. You have a bendy bar on its tail. Legs can spread. It has the same articulation as every Velociraptor. So Mattel, I wouldn't ask for a Velociraptor. I wouldn't ask for so many of them. But this Velociraptor, I would definitely ask for, because they have so many raptors. I can't order the Atrociraptor, because the Atrociraptor doesn't want to be on Amazon.co.uk or just normal Amazon UK one, because I live in the UK. I think it's the west of the UK. I already said it, but if you didn't hear me, you didn't hear me. It's Hull. I mean, nah, it's not Hull. See you guys, bye.